In today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps to access your EEI account. So let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and type EEL AI login. From the search result, click on the first official link that appears on your screen. This will take you straight to the official homepage. You will see the text "Start training and stop waiting." On this page, you need to click on Request a demo. Depending on your layout, this button will appear on either the right or left of your screen. Once you click it, you will be taken to a form where you can request your demo access. Here, simply fill in the required details: your name, full name, business email, phone number, country, and your company name. And after entering all the information, click on Request Demo. Once your request is approved, the website will grant you demo access and you will be able to log into your account successfully. And that's it. That's how you log into this account. If you still have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment below. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.